Hello, dear students. My name is Bakiev and I'm your IELTS instructor from New Zealand. You can find my courses at IELTSTOEFL.com, where I share practical video lessons to help you prepare for the IELTS exam. Today's topic is education. The goal of this lesson is to improve your education-related vocabulary. We will analyze a short conversation with simple sentences and then paraphrase each one using useful phrases and idiomatic expressions to sound more natural and professional. Let's get started. Here Alex says, I'm thinking about going to university mainly to get my first job opportunity in my field. You could also say, I'm thinking about going to university mainly to get a foot in the door in my chosen field. So the phrase to get a foot in the door basically means to get my first job opportunity. So you start working there and then you will build your career later on. And instead of saying in my field, you could also say in my chosen field. It sounds a lot better. Next. Maya replies, that's true. University also helps you understand how things work, especially through internships and group work. You could also say that makes sense. University also helps you learn the ropes, especially through internships and group projects. So instead of saying that's true, you could say that makes sense. And then understand how things work. You could also say learn the ropes. That means learn the foundation, learn the basic stuff. And instead of saying group work, it's better to say group projects. Next. Yes, this experience can help you be better than other job applicants. You could say, exactly. This experience can help you gain a competitive edge in the job market. So instead of saying yes, it's better to say exactly. And then the phrase gain a competitive edge in the job market basically means be better than other job applicants. So when you have a major advantage over other candidates, then you gain a competitive edge. All right. And then it's a very good phrase, in the job market. So please remember this phrase. Next. Maya says, if you use this time well, you're preparing for success in the future. You could also say, if you use this time wisely, you're basically setting yourself up for success later on. So a lot of students just say, well, it's better to say wisely. So if you use this time wisely or rationally, and then instead of saying preparing for success, you could say you're basically setting yourself up for success. And instead of saying in the future, you could say later on. Next, Alex says, I see university as one step toward a bigger goal, not the end goal. You could also say, I see university as a stepping stone, not the final destination. So it's a good phrase, a stepping stone, that basically means one step toward a bigger goal. At least you start out somewhere and then you can build your career. Okay, and instead of saying not the end goal, you could say not the final destination. Next. That's right. At the start of your career, you still need to work hard in basic jobs, but education makes this time easier. You could say, that's right, you still have to pay your dues at the beginning of your career, but education makes that phase much easier. Okay, so here the phrase you still need to work hard in basic jobs, you could say to pay your dues, okay? Meaning that you start your career doing very simple tasks, but then later on, while you are improving your skills, your manager will notice it and then he will promote you later on. So you pay your dues, okay? And instead of saying time, you could also say face. All right, guys, I hope that you've learned a lot of great phrases related to education. Good luck with your IELTS exam.